Namuhla usuku lokugcina lokubhalisela ukuvota nge-internet. Lokhu kulandela ukushicilelwa kosuku lokhetho kusomqulo oshicilele izindaba zikahulumeni ngumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa. Siphezulu isibalo esilindelwe i-IEC ukusuka manje kuyoba phakathi kwamabili.
Well, we do expect more numbers. Obviously, we know about people who are late starters, so we have accommodated for them. We expect them at our local offices throughout the country, throughout the day until 5 p.m. at our offices. And then between 5 to midnight, those who have access to online can continue going online. But the online is available even as we speak. They can go online and register. We still chase the total eligible population of the country to be on the voters' roll.
Umozer uthi balindele isibalo sababhalisela ukuvota sikhuphuke sifinyelele ezigidini ezingama-30 bese kuthi ezinsukwini ezizayo baqala ukulungiselela ukhetho ngokuxhumana namaqembu ezombusazwe baphinde badalule usuku lokuvota ngokukhethekile.
The process after we receive the proclamation will close the voters' roll. We will then do a consultation with political parties so that the commission can issue the timetable. The timetable will have all the key dates for the election program that takes us to the voting day. Amongst those items, key there is certification of the roll, its nomination of candidates, certification of candidates, its application for special votes, and then the actual special votes. Amongst the special votes, we will accommodate those out of the country.
Ezinye zakhamuza kuleli zithi sezikulungele ukuvota, kepha ezinye zimanqika.
No, I haven't voted. I haven't registered. I'm scared to vote for ANC. I don't know who to vote to. Honestly, I don't know who to vote to. I'm very scared. ANC is a report.
I'm not voting. I need to find out what is better for the country.
I did because my voice is very important to my country.
What's the point? But then I'll still have to think about it to see I'll vote now. But at the moment, I don't think I'll be voting.
Usuku lokhetho lumhla zingamashumi amabili nesishagalolunye kuNhlaba nonyaka.